Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Mr. Amuthan Sakthivil, who has over 7 years of experience in the field of automation testing. He currently works as staff software engineer at Clipboard Health. He also has a rigorous experience working with DHL and Cognizant at senior capacities. He started his career as a manual tester but slowly picked up automation testing along the way. He is also the founder of Testing Mini Bytes, providing video courses and lectures.
Yeah, I think it was not something that I really like to be part of, because I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, and then suddenly our college, the campus, we got CTS, Wipro, and all the other important IT companies came in, and then I just tried IT for fun, and then it just worked out. And then I don't have any previous experience with coding before joining IT, so not all the jobs in software engineering needs coding. So I know you can start later point of time as well. So I started my career as a manual tester in Cognizant, and then slowly went on to learn automation, and then also now leaning into development and DevOps part of that as well. So yeah, so that's how my journey was. I think first of all, I when I try to learn automation, I find it little difficult to learn, because not a lot of tutorials were offering the courses in which the way I like to be. So what I thought is, why cannot I create courses that can make a beginners to learn automation in much more easier way, and that's the whole thing. Again, along the journey, it's just not about teaching other people. Again, I also get to learn a lot of things when I started this YouTube channel. So I also have a website where I publish these courses, but I also put a lot of free content on YouTube as well. So it's beneficial for both. Like, I also get to learn a lot of new things, and also I can teach somebody, and then they can also get to learn something new. I think in an organization, it becomes much easier. Again, when you mean entrepreneurial, I think it's more of a contractor. I don't know, but if that's the case, I think in a if you are working as a contractor, you will be predominantly working by yourself. So you might not be working along with the team. Even if you work along with the team, you may not get a lot of interaction with them. So I think it's more of solo game played by you. But again, if you come to the organization setup, there will be a lot of hierarchies. You might have to follow some guidelines by your organizations and all that stuff. Again, yeah, both are almost similar. There is not much of difference, but the contracting jobs can pay you most than the organizational jobs. So now a lot of people from India used to work as an automation tester for companies from US, UK, and other Europe regions, so that they can get paid in Europe and USDs instead of INR. So yeah. I think the first skill is you need to have a very good testing knowledge. Again, manual testing knowledge is highly important. You want to start building your automation knowledge. Again, the second one is your programming knowledge. Without programming knowledge, gaining just the tools knowledge in automation might not really help us. So programming knowledge is another one. And the third one is you need to know at least one web automation tool. Uh, Two, you need to know at least one API automation tool, and three, you need to know one mobile automation tool. So these are all three like very important things that you need to have. And the fourth one is like you need to know at least one CI/CD tools, like GitHub Actions, Jenkins, and other stuff like that. And the last one, but not the least, you also need to know about Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud knowledge. Like, these are all the stuff that you can learn, so that you can be a better automation tester. I think software engineering is one of the high-paying industry. I have worked in automobile sector before joining the IT. I worked for a few months. I was really happy. There are a lot of politics, and then the pay is not that amusing in case of core companies or even in government sectors, right? But in case of IT or software engineering, the pay is really good. Let's say if you don't like the company, you always have an option to move out and to another company looking for a better opportunity. You can also move to another country for a better revenue. And yeah, the basically, in IT you can enjoy a very good work life. Specifically, we can work from home even during corona. Like, we got on liberty to work from home. I think the only sector that went unaffected is software industry. I think it's growing. I think the need for software will grow, and need for good software engineers will grow always. I think I take just one step at a time. I don't think too much. There are a lot of times that I plan a lot of things and then it doesn't go well. So I don't plan, you know like 3 to 5 years from now. I just plan for next 1 month, and take just one step at a time, so that I know what I'm doing, and I can work accordingly. I don't plan too much and then worry about it.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.